Alright, this is an old school tribute. Let's see if we still got this flow going on. For old time's sake. Old time's sake. Alright. Yo, check it out now. Yo, check it out now. Yo. The Lord and my shepherd I shall not want. He led me in a dust when he entered my heart. He gave me reason for living when time was hard. And he healed me when I was emotionally scarred. He took away the sorrow and he gave me hope. Tomorrow's mountains now a downhill slope. I was drowning in my anger and he threw me the rope. And he did all this through the words that he spoke. Everybody knows that I'm not perfect. Everybody knows that I ain't gon' quit. Everybody knows that I ain't gon' quit. Cause I'm not perfect, but I ain't gon' tip. Everybody knows by the truth that I told. Everybody knows by the streets I'm a gold. Everybody knows if you see, give you hold. You carry the crossbands and your plan can unfold. So why must I always try to be kind? Give my quote for some other guy, leave me sick and asking why. Give me a reason why should I try? Give me a reason to keep on believing, to keep my head up and keep on proceeding, keep my spirit breathing, reaching out with niggas, speaking on niggas. Even they be deceiving, misleading and treating. Even like demons, like holy be Jesus, give me your thesis. My life is a pieces, I really need your presence. Not for a gift, but for acceptance, tell me what I'm supposed to do. Break these chains, get close to you. You carry the cross, so I wouldn't have to. Just wanna say, I really thank you, but the truth I know I can't carry this burden alone. The weight's too heavy to hold, that's why your lies written in stone. Which one is to own? Chance salvation and heaven is home. Now tell me where I'm supposed to go from here. Why blindly and hope you make clear. I know you've been there, but yet it's the fear how life will be when pain and disaster was constantly there. Yeah, I think I still got it. Y'all let me know.